Hello and welcome to another update video about ARB Arbitrum. We have seen a nice reaction to the support zone I communicated in the last video. The price did, however, dip I think once more after the last video, but did not break below the support region here for this wave 2 pullback in the yellow scenario. Okay, so the yellow count basically allows for a breakout to the upside. Yeah. But is it convincing? I mean, not really. It's just that it's all about the levels. I need for further confirmation that we have started the larger degree C wave to the upside, which could target sort of the $4.60 plus range. Yeah, just shifted here over to the right. I need the first 5 waves to the upside. I will tell you now when probabilities are starting to get clearer in favor of the yellow wave count. Okay, so first of all, it's important to recognize that in the white scenario, we could get easily a 5-wave move down. We could get a 5-wave move down, but it would take, first of all, a break below 93 cents to confirm that, and we need to stay below $1.40 for the white count. This looks like a 3-wave rally, so while this could be more bullish and it could turn into something more bullish, it's worth to still consider that we might get one more low, if we, or especially as long as we stay below $1.39, $1.40. Why is that level important? And this is where probabilities already start to shift more clearly towards the yellow scenario, which would be a 5-wave move up, which we could then call, and I will just highlight that now on the chart 1 second, which we could then call a wave 1, then wave 2 down, 3, 4, 5. So let me just adjust that a little bit, change the wave degree, because this would be, I mean, it's all about, with Elliott waves, it's all about the concept of waves within waves. So for example, this C wave to the upside would need a 5-wave structure, would need a 5-wave pattern. And we know that typically a C wave would sort of target the 100% extension of the A wave. And that would be $4.59. Can always go higher, $6.09, $7.24 definitely are levels to consider as well. That will depend on how the subwaves will develop. What I can tell you is that we need that first 5-wave move up and then the 3-wave pullback. Then we have the next clear setup for trading a 3rd wave up. But already a break above standard resistance at $1.39, $1.40 will increase probabilities for the yellow count. Then I'd like to see the 3rd wave get to $1.62 as a first ideal target. Can always go higher. Just gives us a roadmap here. Oops. The 4th wave tends to retrace to the 100% extension level, maybe a little lower. And then the 5th wave should get to the 1.618 extension. Again, also here, it can always go higher, but that's sort of, I mean, for the 5th wave, the 1.786 extension, also very common, right? $1.91. It's just that I want to see 5 waves to $1.78, okay, or higher, to really confirm that we've bottomed there in the B wave. Until then, things are still very dynamic. As long as we only have 3 waves, it can always easily break down. Probabilities really get clear if we get the first 5-wave move up. But as I said already, a break above initial standard resistance will allow me not to completely rule out, but to start to rule out the white count, basically, which allows for one more low. It's basically like the start of the, it's the start of the confirmation process for the yellow count, I'd say, if we break above $1.40. It's always a process. It's not like, oh, we've broken that level. Yeah, definitely we go up now. That's not how the markets work, unfortunately. As soon as we have the 3rd wave reach the 1.38 extension at $1.62, I'm going to add support for the 4th wave. And as soon as we have 5 waves to $1.78, I'm going to add the support area for the wave 2. That's how we are dealing with ARB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.